So should we record all? Yes. Right. So make this in question and Sean. So toss 2 off. Mark this to 25x squared. So Mr. Skull is going more, but which is 25x squared minus Jake is gone 3x squared plus 3x. That's alright. Me minus shart. The ranter quick x plus k is gone 9x to the power of 4 plus shaska x cubed minus 21x squared. Right. Now, there's a simplify fully. Make it as a kishmashaw, simplify fully. That means kaihi to factorize it. So you factorize everything. You don't multiply. You don't divide. You factorize agus tasha yahan with the cancel lama. That's it. Okay? Hani mashadini garkashaw agus champa shaw. Kedro the into 25x squared, which is fine. It's gone 3x squared plus 20x minus shart medifa, which wrote it as towards the end against champa to shaw bonus gone. So you to 9x squared to keher plus shaska x cubed minus 21x squared. The link is gone, quick x plus keher. Okay, so that's fine. So you head rot. So to call a arhin range is the hand made. Now there's the shinjant good to the get each and factorize. Okay, now when you take the short to the factorizer, so raised it's the difference of 2 squares. Raised the formula sketch hal and shin different yeah carnok. Okay, so raised can and jarek was the boy and shin. So raised before that's the first of all good bracket because bracket you to quick x for quick x, I guess you to keher for keher. Can plus, I guess can minus. So shin it gets the shin factorized. He's for shin and shin. Factorize on the bottom. Erased bracket because bracket you to 3x for x. Heen for shart. So 3 shart feast the heen you to plus I guess minus. Okay? Metifa. Erased Jera hasha unto shin lake. Then you be 3x squared. So to the goal factorizer. So 3x squared bracket. So you to 3x squared for 3x squared is 9x4 plus 3x squared around to shaska, Raisha, 20x. I guess you can join the 3x is chance and you to lose a shot. Okay? I guess it is a leakish gun, quick x plus k. It's actually because the shin cosm la shin, you're referring to factorize Arabic, but it is to a jant. Alright, it is higlet and shin, so just over in the master you to 5x plus k. For quick x, luja kehe, medifa 3x carne here, medifa is racing and sinna factorize 3x luja heen for x plus shart. The leakish gun 3x luja heen for x plus shart, medifa quick x plus kehe. Now the shinjant good gender cancellations, right? Quick x plus kehe, imola quick x plus kehe, right? X plus shart, imola x plus shart, x right 3x luja heen. Amala 3x luja. So to make 3x carne here, made for quick x luja kehe. Agushane fully factorized hokla de agazation, you get the vidma. Wahan you kill us in? Yeah. Reverse matter to be? No, I think it's an Okay, rest straightforward. Okay, so shinkish part A. And part B, remember free part B. There's a fully factorized fully, so it's the she x equal to k minus she r to she x. So here draw the iterating shan j to majad the factorizer. So check a lad the character to write she jig shahan she he dark she. Yes or no? Right, she jig shahan she he dark she. Huh? No. Right, so right, keher shahan she he dark she. Right, art shahan. No, so we just fight la she, so that's right. Eh? Now, dice first la show yenu is j to common into the reverse, na x. Okay, so you right. Well, hocking around through do, eh? Right, art shahan she he dark she. Ranter art near high. sé héad ach mo sé rantar cethair, ní ra se, so sé héad ach mo sé rantar dó, ra se dó. Right? So rist, had to go to factorize al headway. So you to dó x bracket, you to art x cube here minus 3 head cara 3. So sinni headro. So we factorize marshal. Now, rist to me get it show homposhan cubed because we want the difference of two cubes. So rist you to dó x bracket, agus rist is these a bracket shown as to me go la dó x bracket cube here because dó x cubed is 8x cubed minus agus rist cubic root da 3 here 3 short cubed. Okay, now this is the difference of two cubes. So rist out the formula difference a cube x cubed minus y cubed equals x minus y x squared plus xy plus y squared. So kite shinol, kite fasuga the shot. So rist you to dó x bracket to the bracket la x minus y, so shin dó x lose short midifa dó x carne here, so shin keher x carne here minus or plus x midifa y, so shin keher jig x agus rist plus y squared, so plus carne. Okay. Agus sin é fully factorized. Now, chicken shaw factorize dó x, would then you be sin factorize? No, just sin A. Right, so sin A John. Okay, so sin part B, part heen. B part heen, okay? Right, B part dó sin logs. Rist, so rist the log the dó, the x plus dó, plus log the dó, the x luge dó, hodgem not quick. I should find the value of x, okay, where x is a member of n. So just remember for each other. Now, race go back to the log formulas. Now, there's someone here log kerne, shin right kerne la, made. So race, he gets shin out, he log a dó for x plus dó, made for x luge dó. Hodgem not quick. Because the plus here log, he gets you the video la hella. Okay? So raise to the function la log dó the x kerne here luge keher codem na quick. Okay, and then you okay lesson, and then we said that formula. So raised test equal 2 to the power of 5 codem na x kerne luge keher, and then you okay lesson. Just to raise go to the formula. So raised test equal 2 to the power of 5 and 32. So raise to troha dó luge ke plus keher codem na x kerne codem na troha she. So raise test equal x codem na she plus or minus she. Right, merkin this is showing us, right? So raise merkin to or the lower tably. So just now send it. So or the lower tably or lehna I think usually 50 number 20 sinna mi go say the formula shown show. Okay, can show. So to log a y equals x, so to me get how sin go a to the power of x equals y. Okay, all right. So sin basically what to me generally. So sin log a of y equals x, so it is to the just screw a to the x equals y. So that's it. So they just rearrange it. Okay. Okay, that's sin cash my. Okay, so raised x codgemla. Now, you hig this way codgemla luge she because the x in the wall the end so frigere so be kudima so frigere x codgemla she only. Okay, not minus she. Right. So shin kiss your logs and shin. Right, kid kiss your or graph. What's in the gun in it? Yeah, right. Maybe I just second deep till you beat to get it in the unit. Yeah, right. Now, here Kistelle, just now machine diff. The graph of the function g of x equals 2e to the 0.1x and the domain 0 to 8. So fill in the following table. So rest just use the calculator. So the calculator just cut a function. So shift setup or go not setup mode setup 3 table agus a rís to the cosha f of x is 2e to the 0.1 x. So cosha 2 shift e to the 0.1 alpha x. Okay, so rís into cosha the function brew equals tashat x 0 Athbhréithniú art and steps of 1. Agus very sin digital sin dot values leak. Now rís fell in the following table. So rís must just go to Lina Stan Shaw Rishita. Okay, so just in my show more deep so I go show deka. Okay, so rís x 0 to the full da K 2.21. So just in my to 2 decimal place 2.44 over 3 2.7 2.98 3.3 or 3.3 3.64 4.03 as you can journal 4.45. Okay, so just lean it to Shinisha. Now, Durcha used the trapezoidal rule to find an approximate for the area bounded by the curve g of x and the x-axis correct to 1 decimal place. So raised aha. So we're just going to screw star sheets and show her. So raised scream out the formula. So the aha equivalent, not equal, equivalent. The h is going to do first. So head plus journal plus da midifa gafrodella. Agus bracket. So it's in the formula. So raised in aha quadrumla. H to the equal non squares to 1. So h is 1. So to what he is going to do bracket. A head can da. It can journal 4.45 plus da midifa and then just so me aha rodella shot. So 2.21 plus 2.44 plus 2.7 plus 2.98 plus 3.3 plus 3.64 plus 4.03 bracket agus the bracket. So raised to sin equivalent to le bracket 6.45 plus da midi 500 then you be sinjante ife nu here punche 90.1 just da midi 500 K dark mo punche da. Okay, my so raised he got sin raised so le midi fa Kate art mo she punche she quick so raised an aha quadrumla agus fight in here 93 point. Art and whole lot quadrumla 180.2. Yeah. Oh go me so not 6.4 so me lesson what? Yeah. Right, okay. So 180.2 so 180.02 so raised in figure quadrumla 90.01 raised in it carney. Imagine jammer in the carney screen. Okay, so raised is just good to the trapezoidal rule. But how much you add this near nation the cover all like that. Is it okay? And then you okay, listen? Yes? Yeah, right. Right, take your still it. Right, Nyama got free chan. Since can the farmers go follow me up by heart to catch go that this screen. Take can I can go over the screw. Inject doy not see. Bay can I check needs of the test. So Jan can't go good all three. Okay? Shin rod he got to all one straight off against the guaranteed 15 marks. Man all one to that just casual punch. So go see she's fold them at 3 proof. At 3 theorem. Okay? No, not true. Not go 24 low them. Right, here Kistella. Okay? So prove that cost A minus B. So I'm just going to screenshot sheets, okay? So raise to me get a crew equal cost that A minus B cause I'm not cost A, cost B plus sin A sin B. Now raised to orthodox in la fold cosine rule, sine rule. Sin koja kun chini head through centen or the other courses kum amuniart you have chance at the end. But raised kai shot can a lappy. Can they own image? Okay? So réis caiime cruú go costa A minus B chuma cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Right. Cid a dhéanamh sin dunne B. Cin tú sinnéad. Right. So mana bháil go like so doesn't he's the wall and not to go study us out. How do we find out? Right. So after the text door. After the text door, go go hana. Trigonometry, so to mature lehana proofs, couple of chapter journal ahead of it. So my head to Guji lehana cos of A plus B, lehana 3 heads to 3 jig. Okay? We get a crew called cos of A minus B. Cos A minus B, right? So shouldn't kill more, shouldn't kill the diagram. That's the tough one. Okay? Right. So la cos A minus B crew, tossing to la the diagram. So race nyamagol har free chop because there's a screech is lower, so nyamagol a screech sheets. But shin a screech and shin. Shin the proof. Shin the proof and shin screecher lena 3 hits a car jig, so shin rod to the goal screech. Shin. Okay? So kite shin all. Okay, how do we prove cos A minus B? Screw to Martian. We're screwing to Martian, full marks. Okay, but the rest is all about the diagram. But to come you go to the diagram, to the go fad o P GQ. So screw more formula distance between 2 points. Go said the formula old coordinate geometry. Range in the ma. We said your cosine rule and chin erased for an angle, I guess yeah, T we go to la unit circle, and then compare birch, I guess you to cos A minus B. So reach just kite is all. Up by heart to Arthur and channel fold them. Shin formula of the the formula quickie bonifage, formula quick cos of A plus B, the formula she shart goes art, a legion shin in the pages or she shart goes nine art to be on. So reach to art formula la fold them of up by heart into down. I reached te can na bart a shin go heart knees or the screw. So see she's it goes fold them. Okay, you can't go out to get off by heart. Test certain ruddy to this add the up to just by folding ruddy off by heart can match be in it. Just see the folding off by heart that the able to when you screwed entirely with the able to 15% just by folding ruddy off by heart. Okay, so just see she's folding up. It's worth 15% of your overall paper, but you're 20%. Okay, a better marking scheme. Question okay, Jan? Yeah, do you come to go? Yeah, right, okay. Right, so rest lehanat, we just go screen sheets, lehanat 3 hits a car jig, 3 hit car jig, 3 hit, 3 jig, could you 3 hits a quid jig. Shouldn't I fold them off by heart? Okay. Shouldn't I fold them off by heart? Right, take your stella. Hence showed that cost of 2A. Now, come out in a husband, right? So cost of 2A, because the Giddy Chessman goes in cos squared A plus sin squared A. So very straightforward. Negative hence that means that the good such a formula showed over there. So raise to cost of 2A should roll kernel of cos A plus A. I should minus than shall. So we do say cos A plus B actually. Okay. Now raise sorry, Jane Hest. Or minus and shall go with the skull yet to the car. Okay. Now, to the question cos A plus A. So, this kind of Hagagine formula. Test so good say, cos the A plus B. Codumla. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, Melina Medina Shinishta. Cos A plus A. So, net A B Kurishta A. So, to the default cos A minus sin A. Is J cos A made for cos A, cos squared A. So raise test good nice question, cos squared A minus sin squared A. Like a shin agent. It's just leading to our formula. Very straightforward. Okay. Case journal part B. To the Giddy Chessman will cos the 3 theta. Cosma square root 3 is going to do other 0 is 360. So raise upper mark 3 theta headway. So cos to the minus 1, the square root 3 is going to do. So raise to 3 theta, cosmla, G angle, plus or minus, plus 30 degrees. So raised to the default 30 degrees plus n 360, because the raised kite is screw in general form. Now raised in the cast circle, you want to sketch in the cast circle, C-A-S-T, raised to the 30 degrees to cast positive, so to the positive and shot agus positive and shot. So you to 30 agus 330 degrees. So it's 30, she's 30. Okay, so raised to 3 theta cosma 30 degrees plus n 360 agus 330 degrees plus n 360. So nesting all in your theta, not 3 theta. So ran another 3. So the theta nes cosma 10 degrees plus n 120 agus k to j degrees plus n 120. Because ran another 3. Okay. Now raised toshila n equals 0. So raised to the goal from 0 to 360 degrees. So get fregre you to j degrees agus k to j degrees. N cosma heen, so me 120 lashen you to 130 degrees agus you to plus 120 you to 230 degrees. N cosma da plus 120 you to 250 degrees agus plus 120 you to 350 degrees. Agus shender fregre. Shina shusha. Rather be a lineation. Plus 120 to major 370, we're way over to 360, so shina fregre. 10, 110, 130, 230, 250, agus 350. And you okay, listen. These from a clear acquisition, press straightforward. Okay? Right. Kish over the chart. Bacteria exponential function. It is kish more shot 50 mark question by right number short the screw. Okay? Right. Okay, so marketus and kish on shot bacteria kish. Okay, so raised to show that BT can be represented. So raised goes in all the talks you're doing. Screech is the formula. To BT, cosma A E to the BT. So kaimit lua A obrima, kaitu lua T B obrima. A is B. Okay, right, listen all the talks you're doing. Okay, now there's a time equals T equals 0. Test going to BT cosma K bacteria. So goni species and all the range of that. So egg T cosma 0, test going to K bacteria on. So therefore test going to lean at the formula go K cosma A E to the 0 or B made for 0. So raise to A cosma K. So shini head part. It's kite in the screen. T will A cosma K. Because 0 made for B, 0 e to the 0 is 1. 1 by A is A. Okay, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So raised to short cosma heen. So therefore heen made for A, you to A. Okay, now 6 hours later, so T cosma she, test going to be T cosma carry head quicker. So just grey she's and all this tashator edge. So ratio to 450 cosma A now test going to go A cosma K E to the B made for she. Because the T cosma she. So ratio test going to go E to the 6B cosma 4.5. Because round the year T or K. Okay? The ratio can do me ratio that exponential function we have. Made in year T for. Can you ratio that E? Ashley, Tadenste, can you ratio that E? Made in year T for natural. Natural log. Ln. Can you come here? We just rate the E, you multiply both sides by natural log. So raised to call Ln E to the 6B, cosma Ln 4.5. Now, Ln E to the 6B is just 6B. So to she B, cosma natural log, the care punch quick. So raised to B, cosma natural log, the care punch quick around to the she, which the cosma 0. I guess much the cart, which a cost less you wrote this in the exam show 0.25068. Okay, correct to 5 decimal places. She can add on your shot. Take out the good lord. Yes? Yeah, right. Okay, so that's the proof. That's how we show. Na, McIntyre he show. To the giddy cleanu lisher rod that is a suspended. Not just subal shar rod these jahan and it works out. As you to 0 equals 0. You to 0 marks when you shun, when you higher level. Ordinary level, yeah, you to a type mark. Higher level, kaitun procedure hashband. I guess kaitu cleanu lisher rod to the giddy hashband. So just can you come your shun. Okay, right. How many bacteria will be present after 10 hours? So that means T cosma J. Okay, so rest, just remember this in shot. T cosma J, Lena shad the formula nush, so to BT cosma Kid E to the 0.25068 T. So it's in the formula. Now to T cosma J, so it's required to B to the 10. So ratio to Kid E to the 0.25068 midi for J, and then just cushion the shard the calculator. So rest for shard the calculator, Kid shift E to the 0.25068 midi for J, bracket J. Next to figure 1226.561722. I guess do check correct. How many bacteria will be present after 10 hours? That's the amount. Okay, bacteria. Okay, part of it all. Part of it 3. Exponential. E big in E shaw. Exponential. Okay, that's an exponential. If I reach the exponential, you multiply both sides by natural log. Natural log is log of E. Log E of E will only give you the power of E. Log E of E is 1. So therefore log E of E to the power of x, y, z is equal to x, y, z. These formulas need your tablet. Now, how long will it take for 15,000 bacteria to be present? So raised the time shot to the against equal BT cosma 15,000. So you to 15,000 cosma Kate E to the 0.25068 T, and we solve for T. Made ran the yeah T were Kate. So raised test could equal E to the 0.25068 T cosma 150. Because ran the yeah T were Kate. Now raised Kieran, can you reach that exponential? Made in yeah T for ln, natural log. So raised you to ln of E to the 0.25068 T cosma ln of 150. So raised you to 0.25068 T cosma ln 150. So to T cosma ln 150 is gone 0.25068. So to T cosma, and then just cushion is down the calculator. 10 natural log function or the calculator in ln. Made the 150 bracket around 0.25068. Figure you to 19.98817, so T equals 20. There's a T in years a bit, or hours. So it'll take 20 hours. How long will it take to the nearest hour? So it'll take 20 hours. Okay? Right. Okay, listen. Part of the D, draw a suitable graph to show the growth of bacteria over the first 7 hours. Now, raised Mr. Scully said the table took him a shot. Now, to go all the suggets in a couple of punch L. Now, at T equals 0, colibacteria. G to A cosmos. K. So to Mitasha, so mark this are the graph, right? To the Tasha, the K and Shaw. Right, J L Tescun. It's 6, J to Majake. J to BT 6 hours, 450. So go to She, go Siska G 450. Augustin dot. Okay, now Durcha in the first 7 hours. So reach Kaita T 7 obruma. Okay, now reached Higlas just Thomasin, Hockla dog is Kaher obruma, reached Hockla the table function or the calculator usage. So reached mode table function, it's 100 shift e to the power of 0.25068 alpha x. Reach start at 0, cleaning ag shart steps of 1 or steps of 2 bitcher the time show because we got this 0, 2, 4, 6. But we get shart so goes this in steps of 1. Otherwise we go over shart. Okay, steps of 1. So we can Kate to heen 128 to da 165. So go da Kate chaska quick. So roughly go away 8 and shot. Okay, 3 Keher ag 272. So 272. Sin Keher to she ogain agus can journal to shart the line 578. So go shart so as go G 578. So how do I get top? Agus tarnished out the curve. Agus just tarnished out the curve go meister double. Okay, that's it. At least lay kiss from 0 in the first 7 hours. That's all we want. Well on and okay lesson. Okay? Very straightforward. Okay? Right. From your graph, estimate the number of bacteria present after 3.5 hours. So reach just go straight to us. Now, it's like pan jarring the runner, but do label your graph. Shin da, shin 3, punch a quick in shot. So reach lina gira susi 3.5. Agus gira trasna. Agus to the full roughly have a 260 bacteria. So reach you got just 260 screw. 260 bacteria, 265. By leeway over the brayer of the graph. Which is okay again. Okay, so these just label out the graph 260, 270 bacteria. And then you okay, listen? Can you go? Right. Here's Kishella. Right. Right, so here Kishella there's right in square form, right, so very straightforward. So to y, codumla 2x squared plus 12x plus 15. It is square form, so run on rather da. So you to da bracket, you to x carne plus she x plus quijagus gonna da bracket. Go with this guy. Okay, so raise to me just get a short screw in square form. Okay, now raise to y cosma da bracket, so to x plus 3 squared plus 15 over 2 minus 9. Land and okay, let's think I to minus 9. Yeah? Let the she. Because we just say x plus 3 squared is x squared plus she x plus 9.
No,
so the
That's
Ag mo vind is a show ma. So the golal x squared plus 6x plus 9. You all arms to x squared plus 6x. So kaiman you want your mass and shot. Does that make sense? Okay? So ration just net to watch a chart us. So just until yet go neither shot, which is 3. Kai to full rate it on full lunch and again because you say all that. So raise to me fucking chin la y cosm la. Now raise can you come to door made the fashion in leak. So it's 2 bracket x plus 3 squared I guess 15 over 2 minus 9 you to minus 5 over 2 b. So just double check the calculator. So quid jagus gonna do luigi nui you to luigi 3 is gonna do. Okay, made the anrod for dawn. So raise to me da bracket x plus 3 squared minus 3. I guess in the function. Y cosm da bracket x plus 3 squared minus 3. Ocean behind the jad and turning point is screen sheet. Then you be add density. Black in. What's the turning point? Just to go through the formula. What's the turning point? Your x value, x plus 3 equals 0, x equals minus 3. So raised at insane. So it's minus 3 and there your y function is minus 3. So that's your turning point. Luigi 3 la Luigi 3. That's your turning point. Which is okay. The machine quick, it'll be minus 5. The machine x minus 3, then this will be plus 3. So these you just change the sign of the x value, cunning y value. And then you okay, let's Okay, now Gurkha Shen, but hard that we had the sketch a hand on graph just to Gurkha shot. Just to Gurkha Shen, but hard that we had the sketch on graph again. It could come up, draw a sketch of your graph. Right, we're wrong on the new going. Oh, bloody hell. Well, yeah, wrong on what I'm going. I shall give you all that. Right, okay. Reverse. Right, I've put your ball. Try out kiss the art. I guess me and if on your ball in art, get your Jimusari, and then Remish Freach and live in weather. Right, so art knee on your ball in art. We'll show you hand in you. We're on in your copy the shin. Copy can fire. Try out art, I guess knee on your ball.